Hi guys, so let's go hold on the new Camon 19 Pro Mondrian edition. Now, this is not your regular Camon 19 Pro. This is a special version. Now, this was done in collaboration with Fine Arts Museum in Boston. Now, this will be launched on the 16th in Lagos, and I can't wait to be there. Forget the long talk. I'm so hyped about it, and let's just go straight to the box and see what's in it. The technology and creativity of this Camon 19 Pro is astonishing. As you can see, it really has a unique packaging, which is actually an innovation inspired by Mondrian's work. It is a stunning combination of tech and abstract art. Opening the box, you can see this beautiful arrangement of colors. It's very attractive to the eyes and it reflects the geometric pattern of Mondrian. Now let's see what's in this box. You can see what's written on it. This phone actually won a Muse Award. This box houses a stylish device. I love the compass and binocular design on the camera module. You also see a transparent CPU case, a warranty card, the SIM injector tool, and a description card for the unboxing. The gift box houses a beautiful line art inspired scarf, a brooch, and cufflinks. While the accessory box houses a 33-watt charger and a USB-C cable. Now for the Sonic One box, this has the coolest earbuds I've ever seen. It has a transparent case and the earbuds have the line art design on them. Now I'm done with the unboxing. Let me give you a brief spec on this device. This device is powered by a Helio G96 Octa core processor. It runs on a HiOS 8.6 Android 12 OS. It also comes with the 8GB RAM, 256 storage, which is enough for you to store all kinds of content. And yes, it has a big 5000 mAh battery. You also have 2 SIM card trays and a micro SD slot. As for the camera, this device comes with a 64 megapixel main camera, 50mm portrait lens, and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. And my favorite part, which is the sunlight technology, where the phone changes color when you're outdoor. Now I like this feature because whenever I'm out, people always think I'm using a new device. I really enjoyed unboxing this device, and I'm really looking forward to the exhibition event with Tiwa Savage on the 16th at the Art Hotel in Lagos. Hope you enjoyed watching the unboxing of this phone. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.